If you have landed on this video, it is clear that you're looking for increasing the blink of your PC. Welcome to the review of the PC jewelry, also known as Lian Strimer Plus cables. In this video, we'll take a look at what's inside the box, the quality of the cables, how to connect it, and all the effects that Lian has included. Now coming to what's inside the box, with the 24-pin streamer cable you will get this controller included, through which you can control all the presets that are included in the streamer. Then you can power everything up using this SATA cable, and also if you wish to control the Strimer RGB effects using your motherboard software, then you can use this 3-pin RGB header cable, and then at the end you have this daisy chain cable through which you can daisy chain any other RGB light if you have in your case. Also remember that this controller will only be included in this 24-pin box. You won't get this inside the 8-pin GPU streamer. Now coming to the quality check, taking a look at the build quality and all, the Strimer Plus feels sturdier than its previous prototype phase. The cable contains 12 light base, which is made up of flexible silicon plastic that contains a total of 120 LEDs, which makes the light effect looks very smooth. And the cable consumes around 9.2 watts to unlock your imagination, as it says on its box. Apart from that, the RGB module can be flipped. You can take it apart from this cable, and you can put it at the back side as well. It doesn't make much sense for this 24-pin cable, but makes a lot more sense for the GPU 8-pin streamer, where sometimes in the vertical GPU mount configuration, this particular part comes in the front, and this one goes at the back side, so you can just take this out and flip it and put it at the back side. And apart from that, I have one complaint. So this was the good part, Lian. The bad part is this controller. The controller is made up of plastic. I think the quality of plastic can be improved. I have the same complaint with the Lian's Unifan controller, but I don't complain about it much because I am not using it. It is like shoved at the back side of your control of your case, and basically it doesn't matter. But with this particular part, you have to use this. Some people will use it frequently after 2-3 days or daily, I don't know, but it really feels very cheap for the premium you have to pay for this cable. So just listen to this key to this button press. They all make a different kind of sound when pressed. I don't know if it's a feature, but I don't think it's a feature, but yeah. So that's the bad part. I think they can improve upon it if, like, in the next version, which can be a Streamer Pro Plus or Pro Max Plus. I don't know, but yeah. Taking a look into installation, turn off your PC and remove both the side panels and the 24-pin cable from the motherboard. Then connect the streamer cable with your PC's 24-pin cable, and then just route the streamer to the motherboard header. Once this is done, you have to make connections with the controller. Take any unused SATA cable coming out of your PSU and plug it in with the included SATA cable. Then take the other end and connect it to the bottom left port on the controller. Now connect the cable from the Strimer RGB module to the top right on the controller. If you have a 8-pin streamer with you, then just connect it to the top left port. And with this, the installation of the streamer is complete. So that is all for this video. Please leave a feedback and a like if you loved it. Here are all the effects included in Strimer Plus. They look absolutely gorgeous. Enjoy. Bye bye.